Nara Rohit hits and flops all movies list. Number 1 Banam, released in 2009, hit. Number 2 Solo, released in 2011, super hit. Number 3 Sarocharu, released in 2012, flop. Number 4 Vakkadine, released in 2013, flop. Number 5 Pratinidhi, released in 2014, super hit. Number 6 Rowdy Fellow, released in 2014, average. Number 7 Asura, released in 2015, average. Number 8 Tuntari, released in 2016, flop. Number 9 Savitri, released in 2016, average. Number 10 Raja Cheyi Veste, released in 2016, flop. Number 11 Joe Achyutananda, released in 2016, hit. Number 12 Shankara, released in 2016, flop. Number 13 Appatlo Okadundevadu, released in 2016, hit. Number 14 Shamantakamani, released in 2017, hit. Number 15 Kathalo Rajakumari, released in 2017, flop. Number 16 Balakrishnudu, released in 2017, flop. Number 17 Atagallu, released in 2018, flop. Number 18 Veerabhoga Vasantarayalu, released in 2018, hit. Number 19 Pratinidhi 2, released in 2024, average. Next upcoming movies. Number 1 Bhairavam. Number 2 Sundarakanda.